Good morning, children. My name is Harshita. I'm your art and craft teacher. So, in this video, we will learn calligraphy. Do you know what is calligraphy? No? It's okay. So, calligraphy is style of writing. You can write anything very beautifully. Any language, English, Hindi, Japanese, Chinese, anything. I'm teaching you English in this video, how to write English alphabets and English sentences, okay? So for this, you need some very basic stationery, some pencils. Dark ones will be best, but if you have any normal pencil, that will work, okay? Some acrylic colors or poster colors, black one, a flat brush of 4 size or 2 or 1, any one, whatever you have, okay? And a normal sheet. You can make some boxes on them, or if you have maths notebook, that will be much better, okay? So let's see how we can learn. Calligraphy is something you can use your whole life. If you want to draw a poster and write a slogan on it, you can use your calligraphy, okay? If you want to write a card or a letter, you can use it there also. You can maintain your notebooks very beautifully. You can write a journal, writing journal. So yeah, it's really essential to know and to practice. Some of the children draw very beautifully. बहुत अच्छा ड्रॉ कर देंगे, बहुत अच्छा पोस्टर बना देंगे, बहुत अच्छी पेंटिंग बना देंगे, बहुत अच्छा कार्ड बना देंगे, बट जब अंदर बारी आती है कि लिखना है कुछ, they fail because they don't have writing skills, they don't have fonting practice. Yeah, you need to do that. You don't want to be that child, right? You know what? मेरी भी हैंड राइटिंग अच्छी नहीं थी, ऐसे गंदी गंदी थी, पता है? और फिर मेरी जो टीचर्स थी वो ऐसे कंप्लेन करती थी, हर्षिता की तो राइटिंग अच्छी नहीं है, और पता है इसके ना मार्क्स काट दो, इसका तो लिखा हुआ कुछ समझ ही नहीं आता है, हर्षिता तो खुद ही नहीं पढ़ पाती है। बताओ, ऐसे अच्छा नहीं होता है ना? तो इसलिए हमको अपनी राइटिंग बहुत अच्छी करनी चाहिए, और आप भी करेंगे, ओके? सो दैट कि आपकी मार्क्स नहीं कटें, ऑल्दो नहीं कटेंगे, बट यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस, राइट? जब अच्छी राइटिंग होती है तो टीचर का मन करता है कि ओह, ये क्वेश्चन पेपर, ये आंसर शीट तो आज मैं पक्का चेक करूँगी, ये सबसे पहले उठाती हूँ, है ना? यू वॉन्ट दैट, राइट? सो आई एम श्योर नाउ योर टीचर्स वोंट कंप्लेन मी, बिकॉज नाउ you know how to write with brush, with pencil. It's easy now. So when we learn calligraphy, we need to have a pencil. I'm using a black pencil from Camlin. You can use any other pencil also if you have. It's totally fine. So there are some points you need to know before you come on this main thing of calligraphy. First point is that you need to know that how to write with a pencil, where to put much pressure and where very light pressure, okay? So whenever we write from downward to upward like this, it's always very light, okay? It's upward direction, and it's light, okay? And whenever we write from down, upward to down, it's dark. This downward direction, it's heavy or it's dark. Downward direction. So this is the main rule you need to know and you need to practice, okay? So third point is we have to maintain an angle of 30 degree, 60 degree or 45 degree, depends on the font you are writing, okay? So it's basically 60 degree, not exceed, it doesn't exceed this, okay? So these are some 3 points you need to know. Okay, so we have to practice these strokes. Okay, you can practice in it any maths notebook if you have, that's also fine, or you can create one like this I have created. Now you have to practice strokes like this: upward light, light, okay, and downward dark. Okay, a slight curve in them, and a slight curve in this. Okay, you need to practice this, and now when we combine these two, we get this: upward light and downward dark, upward light and downward dark, light, dark, light, dark, light, dark. You need to practice these strokes so that your hand comes in habit. Okay, you need to do that before writing proper calligraphy. I'm going to teach you now. So as these points are very clear to you, now we are going to learn how to form these alphabets. Okay, so let's see how we can write them. I'm starting with small letters. See, upward light, light, downward dark, again upward light and downward dark. A. Now B, let's see B. Light, dark, light, dark, and like this, right? Now C, upward light, downward dark, and again upward light, right? Now B, D, upward light, downward dark, again upward light, and downward dark. Nice. Now some people make D like this. Now this D is wrong. Okay, we have to make a loop here. This is right. Now E, light, dark, light. If it's visible on camera, yes. Now F, light, dark, light, dark, and again light. You have to touch this. Okay, so these are some lines you need to write. Okay, this is base line and this is upper line. Now G, light, dark, light, dark, light. Okay, now H, light, dark, light, dark. I, light, dark, light. J, light, dark, light, J. Now K, light, dark, light, dark, and light. L, light, dark. and this is how you will write small letters and calligraphy. Okay, now coming on to capital letters, how you will write. You can sharpen your pencils, okay, if it is required. It's not compulsory. I needed that's why I've done. See, now capital letters. Okay, these were small letters. These were small letters. Now we will write capital letters, starting from A. Downward is dark, right? Dark, light, dark, light, dark, light, dark, and straight line. A. Now we will see B. Light, dark, light, dark, light, dark. Now C. Light, dark. Now D. Dark, light, dark. Now E. This is the process you will continue till Z, okay? So these are some alphabets A to Z. You need to practice with pencil first of all, and then we will come to brush. Okay, you can use there are instruments in the market for calligraphy. If you have them, you can practice from them also. Okay, it's totally fine. So now we will learn how to write with brush. So when you write from brush, you need a flat brush. I'm using size number 1 brush for writing. See, this is a flat brush. This is number 4 and this is number 2. You can use any brush but flat according to your sheet and according to the font you want. Okay, I'm using number 1 size, and after that you need some poster colors or ink. I don't have ink in this lockdown period, so I'm using poster color. I'm going to mix it with some water and give it a density of an ink and then write. Okay, so take a cap, take some poster color in it and mix some water. Okay, make sure you don't mix much amount of water because it won't give you much dark color. Okay, use black color while writing, it's much better. You can use any other also if you have, but I recommend black. Okay, so let's see how we can write with brush and what are the tips for writing with brush. Okay, so as you can see, I have dipped my brush in color and I did like this to remove all the extra color. Okay, now I've used this sheet so that you can compare. So let's see how we can write our alphabets. Okay, so dip your brush, remove the extra color, and write like this. I'm writing capital letters. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, T, U, V, W, X, Y, So these are the capital letters, okay? See? Now we will write small letters. Again, mix your color, don't put much water, and try to write small letters. Now see, small letters. A. These are print letters, okay? Now this is G. H. I. J. K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Yeah, this is how you write alphabets, okay? So as you have seen that how we can write from pencil and from brush, now I think you are ready for a challenge. I challenge you for writing your name with brush on a plain sheet and send a picture to me, okay? I hope you will do this, okay? Practice this till next period. Bye-bye.